Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, your go-to source for premium motorcycle and scooter reviews from across the globe. Today, we're diving into the newest version of one of the most sophisticated mid-size scooters on the market, the 2026 BMW C400X, known for its dynamic performance, intelligent connectivity, and premium build quality. The C400X is a commuter's dream with the heart of a BMW. Let's explore what makes this urban mobility machine the perfect balance of style, technology, and everyday practicality. Design, modern, compact, and distinctively BMW. The 2026 BMW C400X carries over its aggressive and distinctive design language, but this time with more refined lines and subtle aerodynamic tweaks. Up front, the instantly recognizable asymmetrical LED headlight returns a signature BMW styling element that gives it a futuristic, rugged face. The angular bodywork gives it a bold Street Fighter look, more motorcycle than scooter, making it stand out in a sea of generic urban commuters. New color options like Storm Metallic Gray, Racing Blue, and Black Storm with gold accents add more attitude to its sleek frame. The compact tail section and sharp contours combine form with function, giving the scooter a premium feel that reflects BMW's attention to detail. Engine and performance, smooth power, efficient delivery. At the heart of the 2026 C400X is a single-cylinder, 350 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine refined for smoother throttle response and better emissions control. It produces around 34 horsepower and 35 newton-meters of torque, giving the scooter excellent acceleration for city riding and enough punch for highway cruising. The engine is paired with a CVT transmission, making power delivery seamless and responsive, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Whether you're weaving through congested urban streets or hitting open roads, the C400X offers a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. Fuel economy remains impressive, with averages of around 28 to 30 kilometers per liter, making it a solid choice for daily riders looking to cut costs without sacrificing premium quality. Chassis and ride comfort, stability meets agility. The C400X may be compact, but it rides with the confidence of a much larger bike. Built on a steel tubular space frame, the scooter feels rigid and planted even at higher speeds. It features telescopic forks up front and dual shocks at the rear, tuned for both comfort and performance. Urban potholes, speed bumps, and uneven roads are handled with ease, offering a smooth and stable ride. With 15-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels, handling is nimble and responsive, perfect for navigating tight city corners and narrow lanes. The low seat height of 775 millimeters makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the weight distribution gives it great balance, especially when carrying a passenger or cargo. Technology and features: smart, safe, and connected. One of the standout elements of the 2026 C400X is its advanced technology suite, designed to keep riders connected and in control. The 6.5-inch full-color TFT display provides all your essential ride data, along with Bluetooth smartphone pairing for navigation, music, and calls through the BMW Motorrad connected app. Everything is controlled via a multifunction handlebar wheel, giving you quick access without taking your hands off the bars. Safety features include ABS, automatic stability control, ASC, and keyless ride, all now standard on the 2026 model. The lighting system is fully LED, with an optional adaptive cornering light, a rare feature in the scooter segment. You also get a USB-C charging port, anti-theft alarm, and optional heated grips and seat for year-round comfort. Storage and utility, everyday convenience. A scooter is only as practical as its storage, and the C400X delivers on this front with clever solutions. Under the seat, you'll find BMW's FlexCase system, an expandable compartment that gives you space for a full-face helmet when parked and collapses to allow rear suspension movement while riding. There's also a glove box with charging port and optional top cases or side bags for those who need more carrying capacity. Whether it's your daily work commute, a grocery run, or a quick weekend getaway, the 2026 C400X handles it all without breaking a sweat. It's the kind of scooter you can rely on every day without sacrificing comfort or functionality. Final verdict: urban mobility elevated. The 2026 BMW C400X proves that scooters don't have to be boring or basic. With its aggressive styling, refined powertrain, and premium technology, it redefines what a mid-size urban commuter can be. It's perfect for city dwellers who want motorcycle performance with scooter convenience wrapped in a package that screams quality and sophistication. BMW has managed to pack serious engineering, rider-focused features, and signature design into a compact machine that feels just as much at home in daily traffic as it does on a spirited weekend ride. If you want a scooter that delivers both luxury and practicality, the C400X is easily one of the best options for 2026. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for joining us at MVP Auto Pro for this in-depth look at the 2026 BMW C400X. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on premium scooters, motorcycles, and everything in between. Until next time, ride smart, ride premium, only on MVP Auto Pro.
Just look fast, but actually delivers lap after lap of consistency and thrill. The ZX-10R remains one of the most compelling choices on the market. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thank you for watching this detailed breakdown of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, right here on MVP Auto Pro. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-performance reviews, new launches, and motorcycle tech deep dives. Stay tuned for more throttle-fueled content, only on MVP Auto Pro. Until next time, ride hard and ride safe.